To install BigBrains, go to bigbrains.com, that's BigBrains with a Z, click on the Schools link at the top of the page, and download either the Mac or Windows installer. Once the download finishes, simply run the installer on the needed computers. For large installations, please download our remote install instructions or use the available MSI. To access BigBrains, simply double-click the BigBrains icon on your desktop. The first time you access the program, select your state, your district, and your school. The program will set a cookie to remember your selection automatically. If the school hasn't been set up yet, you would select the Educator option and set it up now in 2 simple steps. First, list the information for the school's primary contact for the program. Second, select one password for educators to use, and a second default password for students. Educator passwords need to be at least 6 characters long, and student passwords need to be at least 3 characters long. Educators will share a common password, and by default, students will share a different common password, but you can create unique passwords for students if you would like. To add classes manually, simply press the Add Classes button, then type or paste a list of the classes you would like to add. When finished, press the Add button at the bottom of the window. To add students manually, select a class, then press the Add Students button. Type or paste a list of students. To include unique passwords, include a semicolon between the student name and their password. Notice that you can look at the preview pane on the left to verify student data will be recorded as you intend. When you've finished entering student names, press the Add button at the bottom of the window to complete the process. To add many students automatically, you can use the Import Student List button. Each student entry needs to include their class name and their name or number. Include a password only if you're going to use unique passwords. Note that each item on a row must be separated by a semicolon. Again, notice that you can preview on the left-hand side what you're actually adding. When the preview pane looks the way you intend, press the Add button. You can delete classes or students with the Delete button. And you can change passwords or names using the Edit button.